Not again. Hello! Welcome to today's video. We are in a new setting. We moved. We're still getting something situated, so I'm not in my craft room quite yet. I'm still in the living room, but I will be in my craft room soon once I get a desk in there and get another couple things organized in there. But I'm excited about that. And I will be doing a decorate/move into my craft room with me series that'll be more vlog style, so that'll be really fun. Due to moving, I didn't upload yesterday. No time to film a video that I needed to film. So, and today, still not much time to film, because also Christmas is coming up. I still gotta wrap a couple gifts, so the next couple days is gonna be hectic. So today, my gingerbread man was eaten, and so we're just gonna repair him and get him all back to how he was. That's my plan today, and then tomorrow we'll start with a brand new ornament. So, let's go ahead and start. It's gonna be a short video, and I just hope you guys all enjoy me just preparing this little guy. Okay, so I finished him up. I just made it look like he either got bitten or his bottom was kind of chopped off or broken. And so now he has his little head and we can go hang him on the tree. And there we go. And just like that, we did a quick little repair on him, and it's just a really quick video just to update you guys on all what's going on. I thought he turned out really well, and then was eaten by my dog. So I fixed him up, and he turned out good again. If you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, that would mean so much to me. It really does help me out. It means so much to me. Oh no. This way, yes. Here is a link to the entire playlist of all of the past ornaments if you want to see how I originally created them. There's a video in there somewhere about it, and just all the other ornaments I've made for this past month are all up there. I will see you all tomorrow for a new ornament that will be exciting. I'm excited for tomorrow's ornament. I will see you all there, and just bear with me as the background changes and just if the lighting's a bit off. We're figuring out things in the new apartment, so it might be off for a little bit, but that's fine. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!